Here in Kachin State's capital, Myitkyina, members of the Kachin Independence Organization arrive for historic peace talks with government peace negotiators. A government delegation led by President's Office Minister Ong Min met with the KIA's Deputy Military Commander-Chief Gun Mo. In his opening speech, Ong Min was positive that good could come of the talks. For the first time, the United Nations Special Envoy to Burma, Vijay Nambiar, could also be involved in negotiations. Chinese observers and members of other ethnic groups in Burma were also present. The talks are due to include discussions on demarcation and opening liaison offices. Fighting between the two sides has been ongoing since the 17-year ceasefire broke down in 2011. The meeting today follows talks in Ruli in March, where the two parties agreed to reduce the fighting following a government offensive in January. Both sides seem positive about today's talks, a good sign if real political dialogue and peace is to be sustained.